Ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
And we talk about a Zero Bites quality product of Punjas biscuits.
Doon mo benak. Har benak Mika, har benak Noah.
Ando nak, ando
Iya,
nak.
harapin nak
Toto kan maramani monolim ko.
Totoo ka nga ako raw.
Maramani buno lebo se maramani bungali.
Irorwa. May mananong ko sana yo. Okay, Miss Irorwa. Wow. Waraka.
Na Ouch Palangi and a VTFM K0 Bites, quality product from Punjas Biscuits.
Har benak a very good morning to you all. Thank
Alright.
you so much for tuning in this morning. This
Alright.
is Ouch Palangi Show.
Boleh benak.
Good Andres.
Matakan ni mga rumbugan ni ko.
Yeah, thank God it's
Freaky Friday,
Friday.
Freaky Friday. Yara karbabuah.
Kena babu oh no mende kena babu ngelei pambolo chika na be korba babu ngelei mina bale besar na volleyball ni bola ni sigina noa
Right.
be kemu mai barato ile mu menandaro boy dara mu ni sisiri mina chika menandaro mi tombo ningyo
Iya.
okay la sindro ka tukia
Okay, basta matakan dan tabole ngudo chuma isabu sabu ngali tele bo
Alright,
tabale
right.
amani. Bukan don tar yame.
oi dara
Iyo, ore ro chuma mata ire kedan bungali rara ber na kili ko.
Iya,
Itu
iya.
mo ngon tar yame. It's like a talkative tongue.
oh
talkative
so the
tongue.
tongue like
Walking machine.
oh walking machine
Walking machine.
Pagkitang.
every time the tongue want to come out
Iyo.
oi
Sin madalo sa tutuk no tabale ker impit chuma di luma mo na memo.
Iya.
Swallow yatag.
soalnya ya tang me bubu
Ar tabale amani. Sebab we can na if we have a Fijian medicine about the tongue factor.
tang rice
Iya, tongue problem. Please send us a message.
Right.
Meron yung kiki no tabale to mo balat ni dara lako manirangan te manubulangi balangi.
don't benak
Kaya to chukuni buku begitu takapa, tampe karena takapa.
right
Erna yo, kompe ngaya, erna rere.
they will try and fix it.
Right, do bangori.
Yeah,
Cut the tongue.
they will try and fix it. You know how?
Iyo.
They will adjust it. They have the machine.
Right.
Baka may method. Method na.
Mechisiltaki.
Iya, mechisiltaki.
Okay.
Madali. Government to be mulai.
Natakan mamatay.
A very good morning to John Kumar.
Yeah,
And also Yowana Vangi Nakambeanganga.
Iyo, ano benak.
When I look at Eleanor, you know, I think about one company who always do the road construction in Asgangs place.
Iyo.
The Dongson.
Oh, iliwe? Yeah, right.
You know very well, the Dongson. See, the Dongson always construct the road like that.
Okay.
Balnemawim,
Like what?
Okay. Abi tarong mantakan di konsinggo Eleanor.
Right.
Bita tu na itakatakan ni ulu.
Iyo.
Buru-buru. Ko kilama tanga.
Yeah. How many?
Plenty.
Plenty,
yes. Right, do na right.
Perming, straightening.
Iyo.
Okay.
Do na ulu babis nga
Iya,
buninga.
buninga.
Glittering.
Do na ko spiral
Sa
taki.
korsangol tuminggo na hair extension.
Alright.
Extension, right.
Sema, ulu sema.
Ulu siya. Bikim ni na kanda, okay, bikim do na.
Baka kuntar tunungan ni Christmas party.
Ibila kang gori.
Iyo.
Pamita ka burto na maramanin taw sa maramanin koma.
Iyo.
Balatan ni baka nirto yaw may suba.
Iyo.
Renan to keme balatan ni na maramanin koma.
They verify.
Balatan keme taw sa mo.
Iya.
Orto na kantura orto ndum besta kami orto ngante may tawon.
Lama pa.
Iyo na lamata.
Spirit of jealousy.
Bikim do na gori. The spirit of jealousy is so much.
Iyo, so much.
Iyo.
The people of Ngoma
Iyo.
and also the people of Dasam. See?
Kamu to ka bara kana maramango.
Iyo, what?
Kona pa nga to gori pau.
Iyo.
Ta kami extend ta kinano do.
Kula.
Kula. Gori. Yes the kula and the pau. Please.
Christmas college, eh?
Di kala-kala tu eh.
Otherwise takuta, yung takuta de natalera.
Do boleh menak na leo ibi. May mayroon na ibi to do ko ibi to kon dondo na ibi ni Natalia.
Sadir.
Siapa taman road?
Iya, nagano ka ni? Mo ko terto na turang na ita imbenga.
Right.
Na biwe kan ipo ka bonua.
Right.
Kaya mo balik chutal nga na bugun ni nonda kubata.
Of course. Yeah.
Mo mo tento ni siya ma chukina.
Close up.
Bikim ni na do bikim do na leo ibi.
Right.
Sa ko nan rakingo.
Iya, ibi nga.
Iyo.
Ibi nga.
Kata bango.
Yeah.
Ya, misaga kuli-kuli.
You know the story about the one in Lotoka.
Gori.
Always like eyes closed. Yeah, it's you know can know the smell of the spray.
Iya.
Eh?
Right.
This guy only know the smell of the. He's blind.
Iya.
But he know when you pass like this,
Yeah.
when he smell the spray,
Yeah.
you know. Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, $6.70 Shop and Save.
Kan talo mo kaya.
Yeah, he knows it.
Yeah.
Where the place you buy the spray.
Mata ibi is dotani.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden one fella pass.
Yeah.
And he smell the spray. Oh!
The engine.
Yeah, $2.
Yeah.
EV market.
Mau mo ko rin.
Okay, I'll story this morning, Nika.
Okay, one teacher in Wenimbuka,
Yeah.
fella was teaching and he asked his student,
Yeah.
because Wenimbuka they go to the market,
Yeah.
they sell their products,
Produce.
the produce,
Yeah.
the ndalo, the what you call the vundi,
Yeah.
the kumala,
Banana.
banana, the everything.
Yeah. So all the productivity in Wenimbuka,
Yes.
they sell either in Corvo or Nosari
Yeah, Corvo,
or
Nosari.
on the roadside.
On the
Yes.
roadside.
Yeah.
And he asked his student,
Yeah.
hey, your father plant?
Yeah.
Go to the market? Yes. My father plant ndalo. What's the size of the ndalo?
Yeah.
Like this. Like this. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
Tamanin dalo.
Yeah. Mere, your mom and dad, they go to the market. Yes. They sell banana.
Oh,
they
yeah.
sell bundi. Oh, good.
The size.
The size.
Yeah.
The size of the banana. The lingnimaram, the small one.
Yeah, right. The
And
family.
the big banana like this.
Boy.
Is the China link. Hybrid.
Right.
And you all of them they saying
Yeah.
what they
So
plant.
nasa my father plan bele.
Plant bele.
Sell bele, iyo.
Yeah, very big branch of belly.
Iyo.
Hybrid belly.
Hybrid belly. And this one,
Limbu, do limbu.
limbu.
Yeah.
We have the roro. Oh, you plant limbu? No,
Yeah.
no, the roro ni wai.
Iyo.
Yeah, which
The
is
original
the
one.
original
Yes.
one.
How big?
How big?
Like the umbrella, sir.
Yeah, like the umbrella below room. And this Tomashi, fella playing at the back and doing the drawing. Fella never concentrated.
Yeah. Playful fun.
Yeah. And
Naughty.
then he
Yeah.
puts his hands up.
Yeah.
Tomashi,
Yeah.
your father to go to the market.
Yeah.
Plantalo. Yes, the master.
Yeah.
My father also plant.
He's a good
Size.
planter. He's a good planter.
He's the best and he lot of farm.
Iyo.
All this gang small farm.
Yeah.
My dad the biggest farm.
Oh,
we
no.
plant what? We plant
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Ndalo.
Coconut.
Coconut. Yes.
He
Coconut.
planta davatali.
Cassava.
Cassava.
The vunji.
The pine tree.
Yeah. You what do you take to the market?
Vativa plant.
What do you take to the market? Oh, we always sell the ndalo. Why?
Size.
You eat ndalo? Yes, we eat ndalo. Okay.
This is Nalo in Wenimbuka
Yeah.
is my father.
My father. This is that. Okay, what is the size of your father's ndalo?
Iya.
Like this sack.
Uy.
The fella
Ino
stretches
hindi ko pinakami. Mama mata ka bangko.
like this. Huh? Oh no, the camera is very like this.
Iya.
Very big.
Iya. Linga na ruru
Yeah, when you stretch your hand, just like when you want to go and back yourself in the cross.
Iya. Boy.
Why? And the teacher was surprised. Yeah.
Guru.
You guru. And he saw.
No, can't believe it.
Can't believe it. Yes.
Believe it. You
Believe
have
it
to
or not.
believe
Yes,
Only
my-
in Wenimbuka.
only in Wenimbuka. My father's ndalo is like this. How many days you been eating with your family? You've been eating their ndalo.
365 days.
And the fella say, no, the pig eat it. And this teacher say, oh, you motherfucking pig.
Musa na kami kasi di muli. Dito ni kanina Nalo.
No, do everything is gonna do kanya to na ndalo ngori. Siya nga saka. Kanya saka na buwaka. Ay, yung motherfucking buwaka.
Wala mo na size ni Waka.
Wala sa sini buwaka. Buwaka. Hey, minawala sa Punjas. Zero Bites quality product of Punjas biscuits and mugin ibito ko ne. Daw yan rami na kamay Wenimbuka.
Wenimbuka kaya kaya rangone.
Iya.
Ako na baka laus-laus sila. Ako na baka tumbut si komen.
Aso.
Sarap ito kanin.
Naka.
Yan matak di kuah bikin na.
Kabuyaw sana ya?
Iyo.
Kaya ka enjoy sember ni kila.
Iya.
Mena kila ni ko ni baya nantalo ni Wenimbuka.
Iya, pala tingin mo tete may Wenimbuka.
Already my
Tete
faith.
may Wenimbuka.
Faith maramot ko kila kana sa kila chinga maramot taw.
Si Taya may ano binaka, Chris, ano binaka, naman turangan binaka.
Chris, what's na walu?
8:45.
8:45 sa tara chicken na wish.
Iyo.
Sama chiku may and a VTFM.
Doon mo na, Roa, mo ni retra kera box go.
Raya
Ada orang mulian me.
Surprise.
O ko na kayo total nga kanal live ko.
Right dono.
Siya mo chukmay na VTFM. Na ba yung sarap punches?
Right.
Na ba ito ko ni umika galambula?
Eh, aku rumun ko.
Ellen Antomoni,